how to install ReShade on your PC or laptop. So if you want to install ReShade on your PC, then first you need to open up a browser. You can choose any browser. So I'll be choosing a Chrome browser. You can simply open up your browser and then you can go for the search bar and you can search for ReShade. Once you've searched for ReShade, here you will have reshade.me on the first search. You can click on that and here you will have download. Once you open the website, you will get the download button. You can simply click on download and you can scroll down, and from here you can choose the version and then click on download ReShade, and now it's been downloaded. You can go for the downloads, which is on the upper right of your browser, and you can open up your downloads. And here you will have your download, right? Go for show in folder, and here you can simply select a game or application. You need to simply go for browse, and then you can choose the GTA. So if you have your GTA, then you can choose your GTA. You can search for that and then you can choose your GTA. And once you've chosen, you can simply click on open. And once you click on open, your game will start to install. And after installing, you can open up your game and then you can play it. So that's it. To install that, you need to have GTA. So that's how you install. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.